Okay, like nose contouring is what I'm guessing I will use this for. And then I love these for applying foundation. They are aesthetic, but they're also great for the eyes, okay? When we are doing our computer work, or you're scrolling the gram or social media or YouTube, you can have your blue light. So you've got the different speeds and you just press the button here. This is Tia Monique back again, and I just got done filming a bunch of videos for you dolls. So we are cranking out the content, and I want to just make sure that I'm sharing with y'all some things that I've been loving as we are approaching Black Friday, the holiday season, with some outfit ideas like what I'm wearing today. This gorgeous two-piece set from Style Me. Absolutely obsessed with all of their pieces. I wanted to show you guys some other things that I'm excited about and that you can get your hands on as we're coming up on this season for gifting others or ourselves, if you are one who likes to buy gifts for others but also to buy some, you know, a few things for yourself here and there. Then these are perfect gifts for yourself that are girly and that are functional and that you definitely can use on a day-to-day basis. So the first one that I wanted to share with you guys is just this amazing 18-piece set of makeup brushes that I have been loving because they are so sleek. They are inexpensive. They have this little case, it looks like this, which I think is so perfect for on the go, for travel as we get ready to, you know, maybe travel for the holidays or come up on vacation season and stuff like that. But these are so nice. I love the little leather type case that it comes in. But when you travel with these, or if you wanted to have them just for on the go, then it comes with all these brushes. And I think these are nice brushes. They remind me of Patrick Ta's makeup brushes. And I have a couple here, but they look very, very similar to me. So I really like the fact that you get a complete set for such an inexpensive price. So I'll have all the details for this linked below. You really do a full face with these. The brushes are soft on the face, and they are very densely packed. So I love these brushes. They have a taper brush, which is perfect for your contour highlighting. Definitely got all the makeup brushes that you'll need in here as well. Like I said, it's an 18-piece set. This is an interesting brush that I think I would use for like nose contouring is what I'm guessing I will use this for. And then I love these for applying foundation. Look at this blush brush. That's what I will use it for. I think they're so dense that it's gonna pick up the product, put it where it needs to go, and not absorb into the brush. There are so many brushes here, and I think it's just super cute, very girly. The color is prettily handled, so I think they would look great for on the go. The spoolie brush, a brush that you can carve under your eyebrows with, and the spoolie brush there. These are really, really great. The quality is amazing on these, and I think that these are excellent. I do get the brushes if you opt to get them. On the side, it does tell you all of the different uses for the brushes, which brush is which, and how it's suggested to use. But these are really a good set, you guys, especially if you are wanting to give a set a try or have something that, you know, is functional but also has a good price point. Then these are definitely it, and I definitely do suggest these. So check them out. I think that you guys will be happy with the quality. Like I said, they do remind me of the Patrick Ta brushes. They may be a little more dense, actually. They may be a little bit thicker than the Patrick Ta brushes that I bought from Sephora for like $50+ each, and you're getting this whole set for a fraction of that price. So I definitely say to check these out. These are excellent. I will have all of the details linked below for you dolls, where you can pick you up a set. Super cute. I actually really am excited about these. I'm really wanting you guys to give them a try. And like I said, it comes with this cute carrying case as well, which would be perfect for your overnight bag, or if you're, you know, going to your parents or your family's house for the holiday, then you could throw that in your bag and have a whole set of brushes to take with you to do your makeup or to touch up on the go. So that was one. The other one that I really wanted to share with you guys is this LED electric nail drill. Now, you girls know that I don't do my own nails, and I go to the salon and I do acrylics. But I think this is so nice for, what I'm finding it nice for is when my nails are, when I'm in between fills, for my nails that I can use this to kind of touch up the cuticles and to kind of reshape the nails, because sometimes like I do almond stiletto, and I think that for me, like sometimes in between feels just from tapping or using the nails, they can kind of, the shape can kind of change a little bit. So this kit is really nice in that it has all the tools for you, especially if you are someone who does their own nails, then this set is perfect. It comes with everything that you need there. As far as the tools, you can do buffing, you can do sanding, shaping, like I was saying. And then this is the actual tool itself. It has a light on there, if you guys can see that, which will allow you, let me go ahead and connect something to it so you can see. But I think it's just a really handy dandy kit, but also what I'm really loving it for is my toes. I think this is so nice for in the shower, just to kind of use it for like a pumice tool here out of the set. I like to use that for like a pumice on my feet. You just push it in you push it in like that. Now you can see the light a little bit better there, and then it has the different speeds on it. So you've got the different speeds, and you just press the button here. So you could go all different speeds, and it's really soft, but I really like to just kind of freshen up my cuticles. Like I said, I like to also reshape my nails as the time is going on. You can see that. And it's just a really nice tool. I like to use it also on my feet. If I have any like dry spots on my hands, cuticles, like I said, on my hands and toes, I love that. Even better for you. But I love that. I love that because sometimes I want to go back and just get like a manicure for around the nails. If my nails are still holding, it's not time for me to go back and do like a whole full set or a refill on the set that I have. This kind of goes in once you've exfoliated, put your cuticle oils, and then you can just smooth things out softly on your own or on your feet. And I think it's just a really fantastic way to keep your hands looking great, your feet looking great in between salon visits, or if you are wanting to do your own nails and toes, this is definitely the set for you. It comes with this super cute little brush too that you can dust off when you're finished. And I just absolutely love this. I think it's so functional, so girly, so cute, but just something that you can use, because if you're not in the nail shop like weekly, then in between having your nails done or your toes done, you definitely can hit the cuticles, hit your heels with this. If you have any soft spots on the toes, or like hard spots I should say, on the toes themselves, then you can use this after you've gone in your shower, you've done your exfoliating. I like to just kind of hit anything like, you know, hard spots on the toes, I'll say that. And it does come with all of the drill accessories. Like if you wanted to, you know, if you do your own nails, you do all of the drill accessories here, which is super duper nice. So 5-hour charge time. So if you wanted to take this on the go when you're going out of town or that sort of thing, it has a little case that you can put on here as well for storage. And like that, it snaps in. I just think it's so handy dandy, so girly, just to have your own tools, you know, in between salon visits, or if you don't go to the salon and you do your own nails. And this is a complete set, because look at all of the things there. I don't want it to flip over, but it has all of the little tools that you can use. It's got the smoothing tool. It's just fantastic. Hello. So I was like, let me share this with you guys. It also has like the smaller tools that you can add on, if you can see that. The smaller tools that you can add on for doing your nails and toes. I really love the idea of this set, and I've been really enjoying it. Link for this down below as well. I believe I have a discount code that the company has provided for me, so you guys can get some money off, which makes it so. Like I said, I'll have everything linked below. It also comes with a nail file. I didn't say that, but it also has a really nice nail file, so you can, like I said, once the nails start to grow out, the shape can kind of distort a little bit from tapping usage, and then on the toes too, so you can reshape or resquare. And this is a really good nail file too. So it comes with everything that you need. Kiss, the electric nail drill set. It looks like this is the box in case you go online to shop it. This will be how it looks Okay, dolls, another pickup that I wanted to share with you guys, glasses. You guys know that I have really been on it with my eyeglasses versus my contact lenses lately. But I really have been enjoying these blue light glasses for when I have my contacts in. They're from Amazon, but this is called Madison Avenue, and it comes with this little cute carrying case, which I thought was so aesthetic, which you guys know is my vibe. They look like this. I thought the frame was super cute, even though it's blue light, it's a functional type glasses, that it has a really cute look to them. Look at that, so aesthetic, and they actually work. You can see the tint on the glasses while I have them on here, but I love having these on when I'm wearing my contacts. I'm using my computer. They are just a really nice frame. They aren't too big, they're not small, but they give like a really nice look if you wanted to wear them to the office or use them at home, of course, but on the go. We have other frames. This was the frame that I picked because I like that little Aviator bar across the top. I think it looks so cute. Look at that. So yeah, these are super cute, and I think it would be great for you. Yeah, they are aesthetic, but they're also great for the eyes, okay? When we are doing our computer work, or you're scrolling the gram or social media or YouTube, you could have your blue light glasses on, girl. So these will be linked below as well. This one is gonna seem like sort of a random type thing to share, but it has been so handy dandy, okay? Now this has come in so handy dandy, and this is actually an air fan. This is amazing for drying your eyelashes when you put your lashes on. I like to use this fan for that as well. And then also, like, after I've applied my makeup and I apply my setting spray, for example, I come back in, like I'll use my airbrush. Flawless setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Just bring it back a little bit. And then I spray down like that. And then instead of having to fan, I just turn this one on. And this is so perfect. So MUAs, makeup artists, or girls that just like to set your makeup, this is perfect. Especially for lashes too, like if you're a lash artist, makeup artist, this little fan is so amazing. But when I say multifunctional, if you're not a makeup girly or a lash girly, you can use this for other things as well. The old lady thing is that this thing is amazing as far as like using it as a portable fan. I've been having this in my bag, and that's TMI, but this is tea. Like if you have heat flushes and that sort of thing on the go, then let me tell you, I don't want to be an old fan lady, but sometimes it's necessary. So you can use this for around the house. It's so handy. You can use this as a fan, especially if you're in higher temperature climates, or you just out and about, like, and it's hot, you have your fan in your purse, and it's sleek, it's black, very elegant, very aesthetic with it being all black like that, and it feels good. Like you can sit this on your neck if you're out and about, it's hot, and just use it. But this is so good. Like this is so good, and I know it's not something that people maybe not even know about, but it's just something that I have, and I've been loving it, using it like crazy for so many different functions. But I do keep this. You'll probably see this in my what's in my bag video starting to come up, because I have been loving this. The fan on it is so amazing, so I'll use this in my bag. And I like this one because, you know, typically you think air fans and it's just for like your keyboard, your computer, your gaming systems, like for my boys, just to remove the dust. But I find that this is so handy for household use, like for all of my credenzas, when I'm cleaning out my drawers, my makeup brushes, my makeup drawer in my bathroom and stuff, just to get in there and blow the dust out before you go in to clean. It kind of is like a dusting step that you can add to your cleaning that is so helpful. I also really have been finding, like for windowsills, baseboards, that this has been fantastic. And it is an air duster. This one, the settings are on the back, and I'll have this all linked for you below. But the box looks like this. Let me show you. It's a turbo fan. It looks like this, and it has the strong wind power, the brushless motor, and it's a rechargeable air duster. So I really like this as well for the car, like when I'm doing my cleaning, just to go in and blow out my cup holders, to kind of blow things out of the car, kind of like when you go to the car wash and they have those blowers. So this is what this is for, and I think it is so cool. Let me turn it on for you guys. I may need to charge it back up, but it comes with the charging and everything, and it's just got that high power fan that you use for, here it goes. If you guys can see, it's blowing everything around in here. Look at this. Okay, so tell me about hitting the baseboards with this, or dusting behind the credenzas, or you know, even your TV or your tables and stuff, blowing it off before you get ready to clean versus having to go through and hand dust. This is an amazing little idea or gadget. I don't know if people are talking about this as a household tool or a cleaning tool, but that's what I like to use it for. It's just super powerful, this one in particular. It also has another attachment on there if you wanted to attach this, and that will allow you to be able to use a little brush attachment for when you're doing cleaning or dusting, like I was saying, and you just kind of go around your baseboards with that and just rub it on there to get any dirt and debris off. For multi-use, I do, and I love it. It's so nice. So there you have it, dolls. Everything linked for you dolls below, like I do, in the description box. And if I have a discount code or anything that the company has provided for me or will provide, then I will list that below too. This is it for this video. If you like, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up on this video, and I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye. So yeah,